Hello students, how are you? Okay, today a story about Valmiki. Okay, who was Valmiki? His original name was Reknaga Pandit. He was a Pandit and he used to live in the forest. Okay, and he had a family, his wife and two children. It was his routine to rob the people and steal the things from them and feed his family. Okay, and it was his routine. So he used to do the same thing daily. And one day, as usual, he was sitting on a branch of a tree, wait for the people to come through that way. Okay, then the seven sages were passing through that area, and he just jumped over them, one of them, and began to loot one of the sage. Okay, then sage asked that what you are committing is sin. Who will share the sin with you? Then he told that my wife will share the sin with me. Okay, and then sage told him that you just go and ask your wife whether she will share the sin with you. And he ran towards his wife and asked that whether she will share the sin with him. She told him that she could share the things with him, not the sins. Then he thought that so long he was feeding his family, and this wife is telling that she will not share the sin with him. What a wife! He left the wife and ran towards the sage and told that he wanted to do penance. Then sage told him that you know how to recite Mara Mara. Then he told him that he was an illiterate person. He could utter or chant Mara Mara instead of Rama Ram. Then the sage agreed that okay, you can chant Mara Mara because Mara Mara in the long run it will turn to Rama Rama. Okay, but you have to sit a place, never shake from that area. Okay, that was the condition, and you have to do till the sage will return to that same place. That was the most valuable condition, and he agreed, and they departed for their journey, and he began to sit in that place. That way it was a branch of a tree, and he was sitting straight in that area and chanting Mara Mara. Okay, and just it was just daily he was chanting, and the days passed to years, and 7 long years passed. Okay, then after 7 years, just what happened? You could make out that in a place you are sitting, and what can happen to anybody in that forest? Then what happened? During that during that period, this an anthill covered this our Ratnaga Pandit. Okay, but he was still chanting because he forgot about the whatever that's happenings around him, because his meditation was going on through this, just sitting in a place and just chanting Mara Mara. Okay, then after 7 years, the seven sages were returning through that area, and they heard a humming sound of Mara Mara. Then they could remember that, oh God, this man was just still chanting. Oh, so long. Then they took just what is that, a piece of wood to break that anthill, because that anthill covered this Ratnaga Pandit, Then cover that from that anthill, this skeleton like man came out. And he was so happy to see the outer world, because 7 years he was unknown to the world, and now he is open to the world. Okay, and was enjoying every minute minute of that just nature. Okay, and he was that nature's beauty he was enjoying really now. Okay, then he was sitting and just watching all the birds and butterflies and enjoying. And suddenly an arrow just came towards birds were sitting in that branch of a tree, and they were just loving birds, lovely birds or love birds. Okay, they were, and one of the pair just fell down and died because of the arrow of the hunter. Okay, this pain, because that left pair, that one pair just left because of that arrow. Then that pair was just that pain of that pair just pierced his heart. Okay, this pain was the reason why he behind this writing of Ramayana. Okay, and now you could just remember that from a bandit to a pandit, that transformation because of the meditation just happened through the 7 years, just focused brain. Okay, that meditation made him a proper intelligent person. So now we also just having that same just what is that ability to make us more and more innovative through our just meditative knowledge, meditative way. In the sense that daily you are praying, it was a repeating that same thing. It was like a focusing. Like that we are learning so many things, and it is by hearting. And all these things are making our brain focused on to some area. This focusing is making us more intelligent. Okay, so you got the story of from a bandit to a pandit, the transformation just of through meditation. Okay, students, you enjoyed the class. Okay, thank you.